Hi, welcome back to our 101 poems by authors of Manipur. Right now I'm passing through a sunflower farm, and for those who follow me on Instagram, this is a farm. I had to come here for painting the sunflower, and look at it right now. Right now the field is all dried up, all the sunflowers are gone. But there is beauty at every phase of life, and I just wanted to pause in this field and recite a poem. We are at poem number 11. The name of the poem which I have picked up is At an Unmindful Moment. This poem is written by Sorokhaibam Gambhini. She is originally from Manipur, but settled in Tripura. And this poem is translated by Tayanjam Bijoy Kumar Singh from Meitei Lol Manipuri poem Tarang Chatkhiba Mikub Amada. We had failed to notice the neem tree growing in our courtyard, gradually turning into Sajik, a pseudo-neem tree. The plant we had been watering, thinking it to be brinjal, gradually turning into wild eggplant. We had completely failed to notice. We had failed to notice the cuckoo we kept in a cage as pet. One day turned into crow and flew away. The tame cat we kept in our house one day turned into wildcat. We had completely failed to notice. We had failed to notice the moon shining above the top of the tree in our courtyard. One day suddenly turned into a piece of glass. A clod of thought had suddenly sunk into the darkness of now moon night. We had completely failed to notice. So that is the poem At an Unmindful Moment by Sorokhaibam Gambhini from Tripura, translated by Tayanjam Bijoy Kumar Singh from Meitei Lol Manipuri poem Tarang Chatkhiba Mikub Amada. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Also give me suggestion on poems, English poem written by authors of Manipur. And I'm going to request the writer of this poem, Iche Gambhini, if you can read out the Meitei Lol original poem. It would be awesome to have it in the collection of our library. So bye, thank you for tuning in, and I will show again a little bit of the field which was once so beautiful, and now it has all the sunflower dried up. Thank you. Bye-bye.